This video explains the main specs and features of the Canon MV600i MiniDV camcorder. The Canon MV600i MiniDV camcorder brings back memories of early 2000s video magic. This compact PAL model from Canon fits perfectly in your hand. It was made for families, beginners, and now retro tech lovers who enjoy tape-based recording. Let's dive into its main specs and features. The MV600i came out in 2003. It was part of Canon's Fresh MV500 series update. Back then, the launch price sat around €750, or about $800. That made it affordable for home users wanting pro-like results. Today, fans hunt it on secondhand markets. It uses the MiniDV cassette format for crisp digital video. You get SP speed for 60 minutes per tape, or LP for even longer playtime. Tapes are small and easy to store. No worries about adapters. Just pop in a MiniDV and record family moments. At just 520 grams, this camcorder feels light as a book. Its size is 58 millimeters wide, 147 millimeters high, and 103 millimeters deep. You can carry it anywhere without strain. Perfect for vacations or kids' events. Small enough for a backpack. Get 18x optical zoom for clear, faraway shots, plus 360x digital zoom for super close-ups. Focus works on auto for ease, or switch to manual for control. Backlight compensation prevents videos from turning dark in bright sunlight. Shoot steady clips every time. A 2.5-inch color LCD screen flips out and tilts for comfy viewing. Check your shots from any angle. It pairs with a 0.33-inch color viewfinder for old-school peeking. Both help in sunlight or indoors, no squinting needed. Built-in stereo mic catches clear sound from all sides. Plug in an external mic or headphones for better audio. Connections include AV in and out, S-Video, and DV port via FireWire. Link to TVs or PCs easily. No extra adapter for cassettes. Share footage right away. Here are some of its unique features worth noting. Canon's image stabilizer stops shaky hands for smooth video. Night mode lights up dark scenes without flash. Try digital effects or multi-image screen with 4, 9, or 16 splits for cool edits. A wireless controller lets you film from afar. These extras make it stand out even now. The BP508 battery pack gives up to 100 minutes of recording through the viewfinder. Expect 75 minutes in normal use, or 70 for playback. Charge it with the CA570 adapter. Grab optional BP522 for longer trips. Keeps you filming all day. Canon stopped making the MV600i years ago, so no new stock. Find used ones on eBay or retro sites for cheap. MiniDV tapes are still around online. It's great for nostalgia or digitizing old tapes with FireWire. Not for modern pros, but fun for enthusiasts reliving tape-era charm.
Simply click the link below to learn more.